The universe gives you signs if you just take a look. And this next song was that one we were working on. It's called Sounds Like Hallelujah.
One takeaway from the story, the person is always carry cash. At least 20, you know? At least a 20. You never know what's gonna happen.
I'm just waiting on the sun to close his eyes and call the night, so we can put all our differences aside. I'm just waiting on the moon and all the stars and all its moon. We can watch it fall right back into place, so I won't keep myself around just to keep warm. I'm just hearing what you're saying for the first